Good morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are safe and sound at your home. Students, as you know, Block 24 is going on, and in previous lessons, you read about different traffic rules, road marking, and different road signals also. Today, we will read about following road safety rules, means how to follow the road safety rules. So, this is of Block 24, 4th lesson plan and keywords for today's class, rules, road safety. And resources, as you know, content book, notebook and workbook. For today's class, students, what is our aim? Our aim is to distinguish between those following safety rules and those who aren't with the help of visuals. Means, what will we do? We will differentiate between the रूल्स मीन्स बिटवीन द पीपल हु आर फॉलोइंग द रोड सेफ्टी रूल, जो रोड सेफ्टी रूल्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, एंड द पीपल हु आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द रोड सेफ्टी रूल्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द विजुअल्स आल्सो. So student, now it is time for the action. I want to ask one question to you students. Why should we follow road safety rules? Why should we follow road safety rules? Yes, think about it. Yes, we should follow the road safety rules for our safety as well as others. If we will not follow the road safety rules, suppose we are riding a bike and it is in high speed, so it will be harmful for us as well as other also. It may cause accident, right? Now student, it is time for reading. Students, now we are going to read a story which is given in your content book on your page 42. On page number 42, it is given a road accident. Raman had to go to the market to buy a few things. He was walking on the footpath when he saw his friend Jayanti on the other side of the road. Jayanti also saw Raman and began to run across the road to meet him. There was a car coming towards her from the other side. The driver was wearing his seat belt and driving carefully. He saw Jayanti and stopped his car just in time to allow her to pass. A cyclist was coming behind the car. He was not wearing a helmet. He too had to stop suddenly and he lost his balance. He fell off his bicycle and people had to help him to get up. This caused confusion on the road and led to a traffic jam. A traffic policeman had to come and ask the people to follow safety rules on the road. Means, here Raman had to go to the market to buy a few things. Raman is going to the market. Raman market जा रहा है. He was walking on footpath when he saw his friend Jayanti on other side of the road. He met with his friend which was also on the road. Jayanti also saw Raman and she began to run as she saw Raman. She wanted to meet with Raman, so she started to run without watching here and there. And suddenly a car was coming from the road, and she wanted to cross the road. So the car driver was wearing the seat belt and he was following all the road safety rules. Suddenly he took the brake. उसने ब्रेक ले लिए, and just after him a cyclist was coming and he was not wearing the helmet. He also had to stop his cycle and it lose his balance and he fell down. So it may cause. So now we are going to discuss about some of the questions which are based on this story. Yes, now it is time for the analysis student. My first question is, who is following road safety rules and who isn't? Yes, who is following the road safety rules student and who is not? Yes, as you can see, as you just have read the story, who was following the road safety rules? Right, the car driver. Why? Because he was wearing his seat belt and he suddenly take the brake also, and he was taking care of all the traffic rules and the passengers and the pedestrians who were walking on the road. And the cyclist was not following the road safety rules. Why? Because he was not wearing the helmet, right? So he was not following the road safety rules. So Raman, people following the rules and people not following the rules. Raman walking on the footpath, driver wearing seat belt, stopping to let the girl pass. So these both are following the road safety rules. Jayanti and the cyclist. Jayanti was running across the street to cross it because Jayanti suddenly Suddenly she was running on the road without watching here and there, and she was not caring about the traffic, so she was not following the road traffic rules. And the cyclist, he was not wearing the helmet, so he is also not following the road safety rule. Student, my next question is, who all need to follow safety rules on the road? Who all need to follow the road safety rules on the road, and why is it important to follow safety rules? Yes, the pedestrians, cyclists and drivers all need to follow safety rules on the roads. We need to follow safety rules on the road to avoid accident, because it may cause confusion also and it may cause accident, because if we are not following the road safety rules, it will be harmful for us as well as others. The next question is, how will we know if people in a place are following safety rules while traveling or not? Means how can we know about this thing? Means the people of a particular place are following the road safety rules or not following? Means वो जो लोग वहाँ के हैं particular place के, वो road safety rules को follow कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं? How could we able to know about all these things? Means we can get a survey, means how means the accidents are happening there or not happening. If less accidents are happening, if no accidents are happening, it means the people who are living in that place, who are walking on the road, are following the road safety rules. And the people, if it means the many accidents, a number of accidents are happening in a particular time period, it means the people of that place are not following the road safety rules. Now it is time for the application, student. You will do S4 of block 24 in your workbook. You will complete this. Now open workbook, page number 43 of your workbook, student. Following road safety rule. The first question is, give two reasons why we should follow road safety rules on the road. Why should we follow the road safety rules, as we discussed in the discussion part also? So you will write your answer here. Question number 2. Put a tick against the picture in which people are following safety rules on the road. Put a cross against the picture in which people are not following the road safety rules. Means you will observe all these pictures, and in these pictures, by observing, you will put a tick or cross. If people are following the road safety rules, you will put a tick mark, and if people are not following the road safety rule, you will put a cross. Question number 3. Raman wants to find out whether the people in his town are following safety rules while traveling or not. How can he find out? Means Raman wants to find out whether the people in his town, उसके town के जो लोग हैं, they are following the road safety rules or not. How he would be able? Means Raman can find out from the number of accidents happening in his town. If accidents are less in number, it is likely that people are following the road safety rules. If the number of accidents are more, then people in his town need to start following the road safety rule. Now it is time for your homework, student. You will do practice question number 1, 7 and 8 of block number 24 of your content book. Student, you will complete your homework. Now it is last class for this session. Welcome to a new session. Thank you. Have a nice day.